Now we're going to be stitching this with a 1/4 inch seam. Don't worry if it's not real neat. You don't need it to be exact. Close to the straps, it gets a bit squishy. Again, if your machine doesn't like thicknesses, you don't need to go down that far. Bit wonky there, doesn't matter. Now we're going to trim that seam there, almost back to your stitching. You don't want to cut into your stitching. And the rest of it to about 6 mils or 1/4 inch. Now I admit this is a pretty tough going because it's quite thick, so just take your time or get hubby to do it. This doesn't have to be real accurate, so don't stress over it. Just want to remove some bulk because it looks neater. There's not a heap of seams bulging up inside your bag. There we go. Now I like to flatten that more, so I go back to the machine and I zigzag around that soft and stable area. If you haven't got zigzag, you can run another row of straight stitch if you want, but I just find the zigzag nice. Just compresses that and it looks better when the bag's turned and finished. Set the machine onto zigzag. flattened. Now we're going to attach the second lining body piece. Now it's the one with the zipper pocket, so you need to make sure that that zipper pocket is open. Open your zipper pocket. Now just get this, put it around. Now that's the top. Find the top. Make sure you've got the top, because you don't want to put it in upside down. So we go, follow the same steps as we did before. Mark your centres. Top to top. Yep. I'm extra careful because I know what a pain in the backside it is if you put it in upside down. When you're stitching, don't worry if your corner gets caught in the stitching, because it will. You can trim it off if you like, but I don't care. I just stitch right over it. I keep swapping backwards and forwards because I just like to make sure I get it all nice and even. I just find it helps. If I start seeing that it's, too much fabric left there, I can just ease it back. Now off to the machine you go and stitch that seam as before with a 1/2 inch or 12mm seam allowance. If you use a thicker vinyl and you're worried that it won't turn through the pocket, now's the last chance to leave that open down the bottom there so that you can turn through there instead of the zipper pocket. Okay, let's